TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I want to show you the low that we had back here on January the 13th and the overnight low that we had here in the Dow Jones this morning. They were exact 382 retracement, folks. It hit it 3 times right here, right off of the opening. This was the overnight move. And now you can see we rallied 600 handles. We're down 1,500 handles. So we're about halfway. Well, you can see we went halfway back. So that's what we're watching. We'll look at each one of these separately when we go through the regular show that'll be coming up here in a couple of minutes. I do have a couple of announcements. On the 5th of February, we're going to have Bill Cerruti on for the full hour. He's going to go over his letter that is one of the most widely respected cycles letters in the whole world, along with Stan Harley. And I think if you'll stay tuned for that on the 5th of February, you'll be pleasantly surprised. So that's what we're watching here today in the Dow Jones. We're going to go over each of the indices separately because they each did something a little bit different. And we have a couple seconds here. First, I've got to get the clock on the wall here so I don't lose track of time. And we'll get this up here. We got a long time, so we'll get this up here. Next one we're going to take a look at here will be the E-mini S&P. You'll see here where we were here last night. It was just absolutely, if you like A, B, C, D. Stop and think, folks. This is where we were, the 25th, 27th, up and down. Look at that perfect A, B, C, D right here to 5946. The low was 5939. I mean, look at this. Then we rally up. Where did we go? Right up to the 50% level, just like we did in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The NASDAQ did exactly the same thing. That means if we get below this point, we probably have a bear market. But until that happens, you probably don't have a bear market. That's basically it. I sent this out at 5:30 in the morning, New York time, and was telling you can see here at the time we already hit that. And this was about the time that I sent it out. And you'll see I said, be careful here because when the market comes out, you'll have people wanting to buy because it's a bull market and it's a dip and it gives them a chance to buy. And as you can see, that's exactly what did happen. The question is, where do we close today? If we close down in this area, the bear market has probably started. And I say probably with tongue-in-cheek because it has been the most bullish bear market in the history of the world. And we're going to talk about it in just a little bit later. So stay tuned.